Good morning, students. I am Amit Bindra from Springfields Public School. Today we are going to start 12.3 exercise. First question of the exercise is we have to find the area of the shaded region. This figure is given to us. We have to find area of this shaded region where O is the center, PQR is a triangle. This side is 7, this is 24. So first of all, as we know that here RQ is a diameter, therefore angle RPQ is 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is of 90 degree. So therefore RPQ is a right triangle. When it is a right triangle, you can find RQ by Pythagoras theorem. RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square. That is 7 square plus 24 square, 49 plus 576, that is 625, which is the square of 25. So the RQ will be 25 centimeter. This is the diameter. So the radius will be half of 25, that is 12.5 centimeter is the radius. Now after finding the radius, we'll find the area of shaded region. Now in this shaded region, this is a semicircle. We'll find the area of semicircle and the area of triangle, and we will subtract those areas and we'll get the answer. So next step is area of shaded region, that is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So half into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus half into base is 7, height is 24. So it will be 6875 upon 28 minus this will be 84. So after subtraction 4523 upon 28 centimeter square, which is approximately 161.53 centimeter square. This is your answer for the first question. Now we'll move to the second question. Again in the second question, we'll have to find the area of the shaded region. This is a circle, this is another circle. Here from the center it is given here, we have to find the area of this shaded region. Center is O, this is B, D, A, C. So here radius of inner circle. Radius of inner circle R1 is equal to, it is given to us 7 centimeter, and the radius of outer circle R2, it is given 14 centimeter. So the area of sector, first sector is O, B, D, O. This is the first sector, pi r square into theta upon 360. So 22 by 7, 7 into 7, 40 upon 360. So it will be 154 upon 9 square. Now second, area of sector, second sector OACO. Again, same formula. So 22 by 7, 14 into 14 into 40 upon 360. So it will be 616 upon 9 centimeter square. This is area of second sector. Next step is area of shaded region. 616 upon 9 minus 154 upon 9, that is 462 upon 9, that is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now we'll move to the third question. In third question, again the shaded region figure is given like this. We have to find area of this shaded region, that is A, B, C, D. So here also the side of the square is 14 and these two semicircles are given. First of all, we'll find area of square. You know the area of square is side multiplied by side, that is 14 multiply 14, 196 centimeter square. Now the radius of semicircle we will find first. Radius of semicircle 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Next step, area of two semicircles, that is 2 multiply half pi r square. 2 will be cancelled, so 20